Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Everyone's favorite holiday, Halloween, is approaching, so I teamed up with Spirit Halloween and we are going to show you how you can turn this really cool Ringmaster costume into a whole look just using this stuff that you can get at the store. So you don't have to go to any other stores or anything. You can just literally get all this stuff at Spirit Halloween and the costume and then just follow this tutorial and have fun with it. So first I'm going to take the Colossal makeup kit, and I think first we're going to use this set of cream paints right here just to get the look started. Okay, so this Colossal makeup kit has a lot actually. It comes with these little cream sticks. So it also comes with this palette right here, and these are all cream based paints as well. Comes with two little sponges, a little brush, another extra sponge, a stippling sponge. It also comes with a tube of white cream makeup and then some glitter gel. Okay, so we're doing a Ringmaster look. So I want it to be kind of like a clown, Harley Quinn vibes, a little bit creepy but mostly cute because I know you guys want to look cute in your costumes. So I already have my foundation, my eyebrows, everything done. So you probably want to start off with that first, and then we can use all of this Spirit Halloween makeup to do the full look. Okay, so from the Colossal makeup kit, I'm actually going to start with this stippling sponge. Just dip it in here, just pat it in, not too much actually. So just a little bit on there, and then we're just going to stipple it a little bit. And you can use your finger to kind of pat it in. So I'm just going to pop on a setting powder really quick for this red, just so that we can do the rest of the eye makeup over it without mixing it and smearing it around. Okay, so on this little palette, I'm going to take the brush and dip it into this black color. Do kind of a smoky eye look, and then do some of the clown details all with this black color. Okay, so since this is a cream makeup, I do recommend setting it with a setting powder. Or you can do what I'm doing and just set it with a black shadow just so it stays all night. And having that black cream paint as a base is going to help you so much to actually get like a really dark black smoky eye. So if you have any patches, just go ahead with that cream paint again and just fill that in. And then once again, just add that black shadow on top to set it in place. Okay, so next, before we add a little glitter to the lids, let's do the little clown accents under the eyes with that black paint again. So let's take that same little brush and take this black paint again. And for the clown details, you can copy the way that I do it, or you can do it in your own way. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set that with the black shadow as well. Okay, so for now, we're going to take this red again, take one of these little sponges they give you, and we're going to do the nose. We're going to take our finger again and just pat it and blend it out. So just keep adding layers and then blending it. That should be better than just putting a whole bunch all at once. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set that with a red shadow. You can also use setting powder, or you can just leave it the way it is. Okay, so we're going to take that red one more time, this red right here, and we're going to do the lips. So just take any makeup brush you have, or you can literally just take your finger or the little brush that it comes with and just fill in your lips. And then we are going to drag out the corners a little bit just to make it more of a clown look. Okay, so one more time with that stippling brush, I'm going to dip it into the red again, and then we're going to stipple around right here too. Okay, so now we're going to put on the lashes that you can also get at Spirit Halloween, and then also the lash adhesive. Don't forget this. Okay, so I just want to add a little sparkle to this, so I'm also going to use these gems that you can get at Spirit Halloween as well. And these are actually press-on, so they already have adhesive on the back, so you don't need to add any glue or anything. So last part of the face, I'm gonna add this glitter gel that also comes in the Colossal makeup kit, and just add that to the lid just to make it a little more sparkly. You can use a brush or your hand. I'm probably just gonna use my finger. Okay, so the last part of the look, we're just gonna do a little clown thing here on the neck just to pull the whole costume together. Let's go ahead and grab those 2 sponges that we got with the kit. One's gonna be for red and one's gonna be for yellow. So we're gonna go back to this right here. We're gonna take the yellow first, and then we're gonna do some stripes here. So last thing is just set this with setting powder, and it should last all night, and it shouldn't get onto your clothes or anything else. So here's the final look. I'm gonna go ahead really quick, throw on a wig, throw on the costume, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. Alright, here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love how this came out. It is not too difficult, but it still looks really cute. Really pulls together the whole look. I think you guys can rock this look. If you want to get everything here, the costume, the makeup, the hat, you can just go online to spirithalloween.com or just Google Spirit Halloween and your local store will pop up. You can get the makeup, you can get the gems, the whole costume comes with the hat. They have wigs there, they have eyelashes, they have pretty much everything you could want for your costume. I will also have everything linked below, plus a 20% off coupon for you guys to use. So if you want to recreate this entire look, make sure you tag me, tag Spirit Halloween. We want to see your looks. So yeah, I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you want to know what products I use, just go to the video description. I have everything linked there. And yeah, hope you guys have a great Halloween.